Hi, it's me, Gareth, and today I'm on the Caribbean Princess, and we have a deck, we have a cabin on Carib deck, and our cabin is C102, and it's the very front of the ship. There's a crew area here.
Yes.
And an inside cabin there. Since this is a princess ship, we wear these princess medallions on our watch bands, and you touch it on here and it says door unlocked, and the door unlocks and you go in. So this is going to be a balcony cabin, and of course it's going to have one of those. Muster Station A on deck 7. So it's got a standard big closet on Princess, but lots of coat hangers, and they've separated them actually. Our room steward, clippies, non-clippies. Crazy. It's got this shelf, nice and big, with a couple of life jackets. We don't have our luggage yet, so that's our backpacks that we carried on the ship. It's got lots of shelves here. And of course a safe. That safe feels different than the other safes. Anyway, 4-digit code. And it's got a bathroom. And this is pretty standard for a princess ship. Let's start over here with a mirror. Faucet, little towels, got some lotion, eucalyptus and sea salt. Eucalyptus and sea salt hand soap. 3 shelves, 2 glasses, some towels, toilet paper. A note about not putting too much toilet paper in the toilet. I've never seen one of these before, but I don't think I do. It's got extra toilet paper. Oh, they're serious about toilet blockage. Trash can, tissues, shower. And I'm going to say again, this is pretty standard for a princess ship. Small. Shower gel and shampoo and conditioner, so at least they're separate. We recently sailed on a cruise where these were combined into one. It does have one of these, which is a clothesline. This one is hard to pull out, but it goes over into there, and this is where you can dry clothes. Yeah, you can put them outside on the balcony, I guess, but it does have this kind of shower head. Oops. Which moves around, but doesn't come off. I like the ones that come off. This would be water pressure, and this would be temperature. And that's 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Got one of these transparent, translucent shower curtains. I'm going to go out this way. So it's got a fine piece of artwork here. Queen size bed, maybe king, I don't know. Nightstands with lamps and switches. I'm going to tell you right now, there are no USB ports in this entire cabin. There is another mirror. Drawers, cubby, but no USB port. No USB port over there, no USB port over there, no USB ports. I guarantee it. Well, at least I think I guarantee it. You can put your luggage, your empty suitcases, under the bed. There's plenty of room for that. The closet also has automatic lights. Wait for it. See? Right there. It's motion sensitive, but you have to get part way in. The beds are usually pretty comfortable. Give you several pillows. I brought Janet with me. We of course get a mini bar setup, which includes, in this case, Dewar's White Label Scotch and Beefeater Gin and 2 bottles of water. And while we're here, in the refrigerator, I have sodas and beer. That's the minibar setup, because we're leaving. Refrigerator is not very cold. It's cold, but it's not very cold. In fact, I might not even call it cold. Maybe cool. Got some glasses. This is one of the ships that still has the TV in the corner. A lot of the ships now are moving the TV here. I don't know what they do with the fine art, but if you get one of those, and maybe cabins on this ship have it, you get a couple more outlets. Let's stick this back here. See, there's outlets there that you could access maybe. Some people ask about the backs of these and can they plug things in, and I can't really see anything there. Maybe you can. Maybe it's on the bottom. I don't see anything on the bottom. Anyway, these are the live TV channels. Okay? So, CNBC, Fox, MSNBC, and BBC. I switched over to movies, so you could just get a taste of movies. So they have several movies, and unlike Carnival, where you just have to wait for it to come on, hey, everything everywhere all at once. Academy Award winner. Oh, it says coming soon. Yeah, but it's here. These are on demand. There, play. So, these movies are on demand. And there's, I'm going to say there's 100 of them. I don't know. I haven't looked. A Man Called Otto is on here. Some of them are old. Some of them, like we just saw, are brand new. It also has TV series. And of course, I like to watch Love Boat reruns. Anyway, so counter, minibar setup, TV, chair, more drawers, no USB port, light switches, and there's light switches in the middle there that control, you know, these lights and these lights. Phone, 2 USA type outlets, two 110 volt, we'll call them. Because of the USB ports is one reason we always travel with one of these. It's a 5-port USB hub that plugs in. So we charge our watches, our phones, GoPro cameras, everything. Hair dryer. Ooh! Corsair. More drawers. No drawer here, but we do have a trash can. Okay, so just to recap, no USB ports, none. I guess the ship's just too old. Little table. Well, let's go outside. Now, on Carib deck, this is a standard Princess balcony, right? Standard Princess balcony. But on this deck, which is deck 10, you get a extra big balcony, right? Of course, you're right above the mini suite balconies. They have the same size balcony. See, that's their door right there. And that's a suite. So he's suite. And this is crew area. So we have the very, very forward cabin. And that's the bridge right there. So I guess we're going to get shade from that part of the day. Whether we want it or not, I don't know. But it's there. We are in the port of Fort Lauderdale. Port Everglades, I think they call this. Boat's been going in and out. There's a celebrity ship and a Royal Caribbean ship. And the rest of this ship. Skywalker's is up there. You can see it. So we're near the bottom of the cabins. Decks with cabins. So 10, 9, 8. And then, you know, it's restaurants and lounges and bars on 7, 6, and 5. So we normally get a cabin up in that area. But this is what we took this time, just to see. People always ask about the shelter, so that's about 4 or 5 feet there. So it was a nice sunny day. It was hot out here, and as we traveled, the water's blowing on me. It started pouring, thunder, lightning, which we're not getting any of, but that's 50. There is, I think that's the last cabin up there. You know what I'm saying? I don't think anybody has this. I think that's crew area. Same up there. So, yeah, people can look in here. So what? Reclining. This cabin has 2 reclining chairs with ottomans that I'm having trouble pulling out. I guess they come out sideways. And a pretty big table. Somebody asked me recently how big was the table. I'm going to say that's 2 feet diameter, 2 feet across, probably a little more. Okay, so 2 reclining chairs that have paint droppings and chips and stuff on them, and 2 ottomans, and a good sized table. You could eat breakfast at that table, huh? So, from the Caribbean Princess, this is Gareth and Janet.
Hi.
Saying, Port Monkey's out. We'll see you in the next port. Bye.